The murder trial of Lindsay Clancy continues into a second day.
The Duxbury mother is accused of murdering her 3 young children in January of 2023. NBC 10's Nicole Mader was in court for the jury selection today.
8 jurors were seated today. That makes a total of 12 jurors seated at this murder trial. 6 to go until arguments and testimony get underway. Clancy is accused of strangling and killing her 3 young children, ages 3 years, 5 years, and 8 months old, before jumping out of a second-story window in an attempt to kill herself. The prosecution, the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, says those killings were intentional and premeditated. The defense says Clancy was over-medicated and legally insane because of severe postpartum depression. The jury selection process will continue through at least part of tomorrow. The way it works is that at the beginning of the day, all the potential jurors are brought into the court in front of the judge. They are asked a series of questions, and the judge lays out expectations if they are selected. Then they go to fill out a questionnaire that helps the judge and attorneys determine if they have any biases or any reason they can't sit for the full duration of the trial. They're also given a witness list and asked to identify anyone on it that they know. They are individually brought into the courtroom for the judge to ask follow-up questions. The attorneys have the opportunity to ask follow-ups as well, and then each is either dismissed or seated. Clancy is seated in the witness box for those questions so she can hear potential jurors answer if they have bias, why they might not be able to participate. And this trial has already gotten emotional. One of the potential jurors walked out crying after she was dismissed. Today is a really good example of why the judge wants to seat 18 jurors. That's 12 jurors and 6 alternates. Earlier today, just after the lunch break, one of the jurors that was seated yesterday was brought back in front of the judge and said that he doesn't think that he can handle being on this jury. Now, I will say it is hard to hear. There's a static noise playing throughout the courtroom to keep the conversation between the judge, the attorneys, and the potential jurors more private. But from what we could hear, we do believe that he was dismissed. The selection process will be long. The trial will be even longer. In Plymouth, Nicole Mader, NBC 10 News.
And we are live streaming as much of the trial as we can on our YouTube channel. Again, that trial is expected to last 6 to 8 weeks.